Hey guys, Oppo 11 series launch that have been confirmed this week. The Chinese company already confirmed that the Oppo Reno 11 series will be go to official on 23 November 2023. The Reno 11 will be featuring a curved edges OLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz screen refresh rate. On the other hand, Reno 11 Pro will also featuring a curved edges OLED display but with a 1.5K resolution with a 120Hz screen refresh rate. The Oppo Reno 11 powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset and the Reno 11 Antutu score are already leaked. Antutu score of 1,033,340 and on the other hand the Reno 11 Pro come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Both phones come with triple camera setup in the back. Oppo Reno 11 using the 50 megapixel Sony IMX980 primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide 32 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and the Oppo 11 Pro using Sony Lightyear 600 as a primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto lens. Both smartphones also come with 32 megapixel single selfie camera, and of course out of the box the both phone running Android 14. The Reno 11 will be have a 4800 mAh battery with a 67-watt fast charging, and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro featuring a 4700 mAh battery with a 80-watt fast charging. So that's all about the Oppo 11 series, all the details and information. So if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.